Welcome into having warmer weather in the mornings. Far better start to the day today than it was yesterday. We dropped to a morning low of 2 below in Beatrice, where you're looking live with me from our Showens roofing camera at South 6th and Perkins. Now, still some snow on the ground that is affecting temperatures down that way. So you'll see here in a second that it is running a little bit colder in Beatrice than elsewhere. But look at this 24-hour temperature change map across southeast Nebraska. 10 to 20 degrees warmer for areas compared to 24 hours ago. We're running about 11 degrees warmer here in Lincoln, 16 degrees warmer in Grand Island, 17 up in Columbus. That's with temperatures largely in the upper teens for a lot of us, but you'll notice around 11 degrees in Beatrice. Again, a far cry from yesterday. We'll take any improvement. 7 degrees though in Falls City. They did see around a foot of snow over the weekend, and that'll take some time certainly to start to work and chip away at some of that. But look at the warmer air in northern Nebraska, around freezing, if not above freezing in O'Neill and Valentine. So a lot of those areas are running around 40 degrees warmer than at this point yesterday. But the winds are starting to pick up. As a front is moving in the northwest corner of the state, you're seeing some wind speeds around 15 miles per hour towards Chadron, even up to 31 miles per hour in Scottsbluff, with some gusts out towards Scottsbluff approaching 45 miles per hour. We're not talking about winds later on as that front's approaching that strong, but some gustier winds could be picking up around 25 to 30 miles per hour by this afternoon. As we're waking up, there is just enough wind to talk about a wind chill. 0 is what it feels like in Omaha. 9 degrees here in the capital city, but positive when all these numbers are positive is a good thing to wake up to early on in the morning. Some cloud cover across northern Nebraska mainly, and then you're starting to see some of those snow showers clip the northwestern reaches of the state. Again, that is going to track through and reach us by this afternoon. So we're going to take a look at that here in a second. But a high of 37 degrees today. We will be breezy. Those winds eventually shifting out of the northwest once the front comes through, and that front driving some light snow across the state. It'll be closer to north central Nebraska by 7 o'clock this morning. But then you'll start to see some pinks on the leading edge of this snow band. We will be warm enough that we may see a few sprinkles try to mix in on that leading edge before light snow will be coming through and sweeping through southeast Nebraska through this afternoon and into the early evening hours, but that is quick to move on into tonight. So we're not talking about a lot of snow. For most, a dusting, maybe up to 1/10 of an inch. Those that have seen a lot of snow recently, maybe up to 1/2 an inch. In northern Nebraska, a couple 1/10 of an inch further south and east from Lincoln. So we're not talking about a whole lot from this round. A few flurries still possible tomorrow, as we'll be slightly cooler, and then into this weekend, warm again on Saturday, cooler Sunday into Monday. Not a whole lot of chances for snow in the near future.